Property Pro Construction is located in Auburn, Massachusetts. We are committed to 100% customer satisfaction. We are a licensed and restricted construction company. Our projects are on time and budget. We have been servicing the Central Mass for over 5 years and have expanded to the entire New England area. We offer a wide range of services, including some 24-hour emergency operations, doors repair, ceiling repair, violation corrections, water cleanup, kitchens and baths, general repairs, additions, painting, maintenance programs, preventive, waste removal, store closing and relocates, carpet and tile repairs, construction cleanup, floor maintenance, projects rollouts, remodels and Alteratiions. Property Pro Construction open for business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Call us now.